Hello Abhijit, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
So today we have Abhijit, so we are gonna interview him. So Abhijit, please introduce yourself a little bit.
Alright, just a short intro. My name is Abhijit Kumar. I'm doing software engineering. That's Bachelor of Software Engineering. I'm currently in my third year and fourth year now. That would be the short intro.
So now let's start our interview. So first question is are you international or domestic student?
I'm an international student. I'm coming from India.
Okay.
Yeah. As I came in 2022.
Okay.
So, yes.
3 years now.
Yes.
Wow.
Been a while.
So please tell which course you are doing and why.
As I said, I'm doing Bachelor of Software Engineering, and that's a 4 years course. There's a couple alternatives as well, like computer science and IT. And in my one, there's like in third year we have internship program. So for the whole third year, we just do internship. That's it, no course or anything on top. And that was really beneficial for me. So that's why I preferred software engineering. That I don't have to do one extra year compared to like BTech in India, where you have to do 4 years either ways, but you have to study for the whole period.
Yeah.
And another reason for the preference was that over here we don't have that many exams compared to India.
Yeah.
And along with that, in the first year in India, there's like you have to do exam for almost all the engineering
Yeah.
types
Yes.
in any of the engineering course. So that was a thing which I did not like. And there's also the part of attendance.
Yeah.
Over here, that's also the benefit. Like we don't have to have like 75% attendance
Yeah.
to attend the exams. I bit it's better to have them, but yeah, it's not required. So that's good.
Makes sense. So why Australia?
For the main reason for Australia would be that I did not like the couple of things in the Indian education system, like the attendance system,
Yeah.
majorly, and along with that, as I said, in the first year you have to do all the exams. And for my side, like I was initially working in India as well. I was working as a freelancer over there, and did not wanted to do over India because it was a bit more tricky to pursue side projects or do anything on top compared to the college, because it is mandatory to attend the college. Almost like 75% is not that easy.
Yeah, actually.
Over here, as I saw, the course curriculum is really good because it has like industry applied knowledge. So we are asked to build projects which are needed in the industry.
Yes.
So that helps compared to just doing assignments.
Yes.
That'd be easy.
So which uni do you think is best for this course?
I am a bit biased on that side. I would say RMIT for sure. Well, if I have to give a short comparison, UniMelp is good if somebody wants to do research, and they have more theoretical courses, and they have more exams as well, written exams. And Swinburne, RMIT, these are better if they want like industry experience, because our courses have more project building and things which is needed for the course or like for the industry, like down the line once you're in the job. Yeah, those are the skills which are needed. And if somebody wants to get in research, they can choose UniMelp.
So can you tell about your course structure?
For my one, software engineering, the 4 years course, it's the initial 2 years is the first year is pretty direct, like programming boot camp. They introduce you to programming and such. For second year, it's a bit more complex. There's like 2 extra electives, and for third year, it's just internship year.
Okay.
And for the internship, you have to find it yourself.
Okay.
College does help till some extent, like they list out the industry applications and such
Yeah.
which are available,
Yeah.
but that does not help that much as well. Like they
Makes
don't
sense.
apply from your behalf or anything like that.
Yes.
They just list it out. And for fourth year, when you have more electives, like most of the fourth year courses are mainly electives only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you get internships after this?
For software engineering, I would say it is required to get the third year internship.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, you can switch over to computer science. That is an option. Like that is a 3 years course where
Okay.
they omit the third year internship course. That part is omitted, and they can just skip over to the fourth year directly.
Okay.
And so, if I say like if most of the people who are doing software engineering after the 4 years, once they have joined the internship in third year, most of the time what happens is the company extend their contract and allow them to do part time in fourth year. and then continue on, and then
Okay.
continue in the same company. That's what I've seen for most of the software engineering. So yes.
What kind of jobs do you get after this?
Mainly in technical, like software engineers, software developers, data analysts,
Okay.
and mainly in software side only.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd say just software mainly for
Understand.
internships.
Yeah.
Yes. That's a requirement as well for the internship
Okay.
that you can't do in the other profession or other fields. So it has to be related to the course. Then only it is considered for that year.
Okay, I didn't know that. What kind of background do you need to study this?
I'd say for background wise, there's like you could be from any background, even from commerce or anywhere. Like,
Huh?
like if
Yeah,
commerce
for
and they
bachelor's,
have not
yeah,
done any like they didn't have
Coding
computer
and all
science
that,
in
yeah.
12th, as in
Yeah.
that way, or anything, because they do teach in the first year from basics, but it does get a bit difficult
In-
down the line.
yeah,
If
eventually.
you don't have interest in computer science, then it is going to be much more tricky for you. So, yeah, only pick if you have interest,
Yeah,
because the market is a bit,
understandable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
risky stuff.
So yeah, that's what I am like. I am from commerce background, so I thought, So, how much is your fees?
Fees wise, it's 4,000 per course.
Okay,
And there's like
approx or exactly?
approx 4,000 only.
Okay.
Yes, and there's like 4 courses per semester.
Okay, $16,000.
Yes.
I am paying more than you, and I don't have a PR.
That's the reason. It's for
So, moving to next question. What is PR pathway after this?
for PR pathways, not that much experience on that behalf, but what mainly I've seen is that people get the internship and then they continue working in the industry, and then they apply for TR,
Okay.
and then down the line, whatever the points they have accumulated, based on that they can continue
So
forward.
basically, in this course, PR pathway is there, because in commerce, like MBA or something, there is no PR pathway. That's why I asked.
I can't
You can't be sure.
confirm,
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
but yeah,
Okay.
mostly yes.
So skill assessment might be there. So moving, you have exams or assignments?
On this part, I would say like most of the for initial first year we have mainly assignments only, and most of them are open book. Like you have access to the internet, you have access to ChatGPT. You can do the assignments if you want. But yes, for first year it's going to be really nice and easy. Then comes the second year. Second year there are a couple of courses which are going to be written.
Okay.
And for written exams we have like one piece of paper for it's mainly just two subjects: algorithm analysis
Yeah.
and computing theory.
Okay.
And those are the super difficult ones, let's say. And yeah, just mainly those ones those are the ones which have written exams. Other than that, most of them have assignments only, so that's the good part.
So are you able to enjoy extracurriculum activities with your course?
Yes, there is some time. That depends. If you have finished your assignment early on, yes, there will be a lot of time. And for extracurricular activities, there are a couple of clubs as well which are for computer science students, like CSIT from RMIT, CSIT, RISC, and GDSC RMIT. These are the most famous ones which organize events.
I have no idea.
Otherwise, there's like KEREP and
Yeah, Kerep I know.
RMIT Indian Club and
Yeah.
others which host a lot of events. So
Yeah.
yeah, it depends on like if you have finished your assignments early on, then yes.
Yeah.
For first year, yes, enjoy the most during first year, because from second year onwards it gets
More difficult.
progressively more difficult. But for third year it's much more simpler because
Internships.
internship. So that depends where. it
Yeah.
is.
Now moving on to the last question, and my last question is to you: are you able to manage your job and studies together?
I would say yes, because during second year I was working full time
Okay.
along with full time studies.
Yeah.
And I was working as data analyst at that time, and that was possible. But I had previous experience in this field, so
Yeah.
it gets much more simpler. But
Yeah.
what I've seen is like a lot of my friends as well do part-time work alongside studies, so it is fairly possible if the courses are easier at that time. Like if there's no written exams,
Yeah.
if there's like written exams, then yeah, they need to prepare 1 week before or 2 weeks
Yeah.
before. During those times, for sure, no.
So
Most of the times, yes.
do you want to add extra something, or someone who, if someone is coming internationally, domestic also, to anyone that who is gonna do this course, because you have done workshops like before, so
Yes.
Anything like specific?
So what I would suggest is um, that don't stress about it. Just go through it. Down the line, there's like, well,
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have
many
to.
many things as well.
Yeah.
but I'd say just enjoy the curricular activities which you can.
Yeah.
Mainly just enjoy doing the first year because down the line is gonna get progressively more hard. And but still would totally recommend this course. And yes, it's a personal choice. If you're interested, then only enroll.
Yeah.
Otherwise, like, if you're just going like software engineering, so good. There's gonna be so many opportunities, but no, there's not that many as well.
Yeah.
And it's getting even more progressively difficult because of AI and all. So,
Yeah.
Yes, and would suggest if you have interest, then for sure go for this. Yes.
So I think so that's all for today. Thank you so much, Abhijit, for being here and doing this interview. Thank you.
Thank you for
Do
watching
share,
this.
like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.
Yes.